Hi, has 2020 left you feeling tired, drained, lonesome, or disconnected? One of the biggest problems in society today is that we do things because we have to instead of we want to. We live for achievements instead of from our hearts and experiences. We dread Mondays and we wish for Fridays to come as quickly as possible. Week by week, it doesn't get any better. What if I told you that defining your own purpose can change all that? What I described to you is my life 16 years ago until I made a radical change. Ever since that moment, I've been really happy. I've had energy to do all that I want, and there's been great well being in my life. 2020 has led me to create open workshops to share this process with a lot of people. And I want to invite you to be part of the Final Purpose Workshop in 2020. Through fun, dynamic activities and self reflection, I'm going to help you define and move into living from your own purpose. There's only 6 spots left, so don't wait to sign up. If you want to transform, expand your joy and well being in your life, join me on this journey. I'll see you there.